Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle SS big block 454 car. It's had a recent frame-up restoration. Love the color combination. It's finished in Cortez silver with the black super sport striping and the black vinyl interior. Nice car, guys. Sorry here. You can see the cold in the background, guys. It's freezing out here right now. Yes, it is spring in Michigan, but it is bitter, bitter cold this morning. Bought this car to show we were at down in North Carolina. Really nicely done car. It's got a really good sounding big block in it. It's got vintage heat and air. They've converted it to Wilwood front disc brakes, 12-bolt rear end with a 331 gear in the back and the F41 suspension. But really pretty car. I thought about putting a set of wheels on it, but we've kind of left it alone. I love this car, or love this color when you put it up against some chrome wheels, but we get a lot of guys who say that they like the stock wheels, so I kind of left them alone. Chrome and stainless is very nice. It's got pretty paint on it. There's a couple little touch-up marks. I saw a couple little scratches, but not a whole lot to really pick at. I think there's a little crack in the dash on it where the speaker cover is. Not something that really jumps out at you. Very nicely done car though. Car's detailed up real nice underneath the hood, and like I say, when Jay fires this thing up, it's got a great sound to it. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. We've been trying to knock them out as best we can and get them advertised. I know several of the cars have actually already sold, and that gets people upset with us, but I like to do my own advertising, guys. I like doing these videos. I like doing my own pictures, so I'm a little slower at it than I'd like to be. The car's got a set of Cooper Cobras on it. It's got, the one thing I do like, it's got 8-inch Corvette Rallys on it all the way around. So it's got the deeper rally wheels on it, which I think looks good. Nice and flat down the sides. Car's nice and clean underneath. You see a little touch-up mark there. Again, I'm not trying to pick the car apart. It's just, guys, about 75–80% of these cars we send out sight unseen, and I want you to know what you're getting. None of them are perfect. I don't care what anybody tells you. Every car you can find something somewhere. Beautiful car though. Again, it's a little bit of a built 454, and it's got a mild cam to it. 4-barrel. That's actually a GM Winners aluminum intake on it. It's got a set of headers on it. It's got all the March aluminum pulleys and brackets on it. I think it's a serpentine belt system. Power steering, Wilwood power front disc brakes, and then it's got vintage heat and air, and yes, it works. Aluminum radiator. If I remember, I think it's got the dual electric. Yeah, it does have the dual electric fans with again, it's got that March serpentine pulley setup on it. Great car though. Like I say, got a great sound. We'll try to get a few of these cars done today, but make sure you're keeping track of that site. It doesn't hurt to pick up the phone and call the boys. They'll tell you what else we've got sitting here or on its way. I've literally got so many cars in here right now, I can't get them all in the building. Nice car. You can tell they replaced all the door handles and You can see how nice this car is on the edges. I mean, very nice car. Car's got 79,000 miles on it, and a lot of this interior is supposed to be original, guys. Bucket seats, console. It's got a sports steering wheel on it. Looks like it's got all the correct Fisher body seat belts. $79,143 on the odometer. It's got an aftermarket radios in it. Looks like all the stock dash. It's got some aftermarket gauges underneath there. It's got dual exhaust. Again, 12-bolt 331 stock gear in it. It's got the F41 suspension. Factory jack with the spare here in the trunk. It's all spackle painted like it should be. With the old bias ply spare. Nice car. You see it's detailed up nice underneath the hood. Rear sway bar, Flowmaster duals. Split there in the door pad. I think it's got the original door pad still on it. Good looking car. I like this silver. Console's in nice shape. I have Jay fired up here. Yeah, door handles are new. Original mirrors, and they're in excellent shape. Jammed up a little bit, still runs on pump gas, but plenty of horsepower, guys. We're not going to be able to kick the air out. It's too cold out here, guys. It won't turn on. The car hits the ground, man. Hands are about froze. Oh, we have to get a sending unit for the fuel gauge. He told us that. Looks like all your gauges down there are working. I don't know if you can see that or not. That sun is directly behind me. Backup lights do work. Car's got a great sound to it. Radio works. Blower motor. Yep. Does work, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Facebook is another great way to keep in touch with us. Or as always, feel free to pick up the phone. Give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a bad ride right there, man. That thing sounds mean. guys.